Hello there, boys and girls. This morning, we are going to talk about a special part of our bodies. And I am fanning that special part of the body that we are going to talk about today. Who can tell me which part it is? That part is feeling so hot. So I'm fanning it. I'm hot. All right. Who said the face? Yes, we are going to talk about our face. Now you see me, now you don't. So now you see my face, now you don't. I'm hiding. Peekaboo, I see you. All right, so we have this face. I have one face, I have one face. On my face I have two eyes and one nose. On my face I have one mouth and two ears. I have one face, I have one face. On my face I have my hair. Oh, I love my hair. Yes, so we have one face. And then you see your two eyes, your nose, your mouth, your ears, and you have hair on your head right there. Okay, so on this picture here, we have a picture of a boy's face. You see the ears, the boy's ears, eyes, nose, and mouth. And that is your face, yes. And you have a beautiful and a handsome face. Now, there are different parts on your face, as you can see on the chart. Yes. Simon says, touch your eyes. Blink them. Blink, 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 blink. All right. So you can close and you can open your eyes. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. All right. And you have your mouth. Mama, 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 mama. That's my mouth on my face. And you have your nose. That's my little nose. And you have your ears. Yes, two ears. And you have hair on your head, girls. Some girls have long hair. And some boys have hair that they comb as well. So we have hair on our head. All right, so that is your face. Now for us to draw our face. So I made a circle to draw our face. The circle goes round and round. It never ends. What is missing on this face? You tell me. Who said eyes? Yes. So I'm going to make a circle and a dot for my eye. One eye? Oh, two. So I must draw one more. Uh-oh, my eyes are so big. What else? What is missing? A nose. That's my nose. What else? Your mouth, yes. What else is missing? Yes, your ears. And I must draw only one. Someone said two. What else is missing from your face? Your ear, yes. And someone said I must give you some little cheek. And your little chin there. Oh, I love. Is that a smiley face I'm seeing there? Yes. So we're going to show some facial expression. Let me get back my fan. So when I remove the fan, you'll see my facial expression, and guess which one am I showing? Happy face, yes. Sad face. Angry face, I'm hangry. Surprise, yes. Can you try that? Come on, hide it. Happy face. Sad. Angry. Surprise. Yes, give yourself a big clap. I can be happy. I can be sad. I can be hungry. I can be surprised. So your face shows different expression. That's why we love our face so much. People can know if we're happy or sad based on our facial expression. Yes. So I love my face. Come on, touch your face. Pat your face. Pat your face. Pitter patter. Pat your face. Woohoo. I love my face. And on my face, I have two eyes and it go everywhere with me. And on my face, I have one nose and it goes everywhere with me. And on my face, I have two ears and it goes everywhere with me. And on my face, I have my mouth and it go everywhere with me. So you travel all over this place with your face, and when people see you, they see you, see your face.